Hello student, today we are going to solve a problem on development of oblique hexagonal pyramid. Oblique hexagonal pyramid means its axis inclined with HP. Problem number 4. An oblique hexagonal pyramid having base with a 30 mm side and height 80 mm has the axis inclined at 60 degree to the base, to the HP, and parallel to the VP, such that its one base side parallel to VP, one base side parallel to VP. Draw the development of its lateral surface. Okay. First, we draw a hexagon of sides 30 mm. Draw the hexagon of sides 30 mm. This is hexagon. Now we mark the base edge. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, and draw the XY line. Draw the XY line, mark as X and Y. Okay. Now from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, draw the vertical projection line. From 1, draw vertical projection line up to XY line. From 2 and 6, draw vertical projection line up to XY line. From 3 and 5, draw vertical projection line up to XY line. From 5 and 3, draw the vertical projection line. From 4, draw the vertical projection line up to XY line. Mark this point 1 dash. Mark this point 2 dash and 6 dash, 2 dash and 6 dash. Mark this point. This is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 3 dash and 5 dash. Mark this point. This is 4 dash. From center of the hexagon, draw vertical projection line up to XY line. We find center, joint any two corner, this corner and this corner, any two corner, we get the center. Okay. Now from this point, draw axis line 60° incline with base with XY line. Draw the axis line. This is 60° angle. This is 60° angle with the base. This is 60°. Height of the hexagonal pyramid is 80 mm. Draw parallel line parallel to the base 80 mm distance. Draw a parallel line. It is cut the axis at O dash point. This is the intersection of the axis and parallel line. This is the vertex of the oblique hexagonal pyramid. Okay. Now joint 1 dash and O dash, joint 2 dash and 6 dash, same line. Joint 3 dash and O dash or 5 dash O dash, same line. Joint 4 dash and O dash. Joint 1 dash and 4 dash. This is the elevation of the hexagonal pyramid, oblique pyramid. Center of the hexagon, this is center of the hexagon. Draw the horizontal line and from vertex O dash in front view, draw vertical projection line. Draw vertical projection line up to the horizontal line. It is cut at O. This is the vertex on top view. Now we joint 4 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 5 0 6 0. In this hexagon, this portion are thick and this portion is hidden line. this is dotted line. Now this is the final top view and this is the final elevation of the oblique hexagonal pyramid. Okay. Now in front view 1 dash and 0 dash, this is the 2 length, this H is 2 length because in top view 1 and 0, this is parallel to XY line. The H 4 dash and O dash, this is the 2 length because in top view 4 and 0 line parallel to XY line, but this H and this H means 2 dash O dash, 6 dash O dash, 3 dash O dash, 5 dash O dash. These 4 H are not 2 length, we find out the 2 length. Okay. For find out the 2 length, with center O, draw arc from 2 or 6. Draw arc from 2 or 6 up to the horizontal line. Next, draw the vertical line up to XY line. Similarly, with center O, draw arc from 3 or 5. Same, draw arc up to the horizontal line, and next draw the vertical line up to the XY line. From 2 and 6, this is the projection line, this is the arc, and this is the vertical line. From 3 or 5, same, from center O, this is the arc, then vertical line, this is marked as 2 and 6, and this is marked as 3. Now joint 2 and O dash, 6 and O dash, both are same. Join this. This is the 2 length of 2 dash O dash and 6 dash O dash. Similarly, joint 3 to O dash, 3 to O dash, or 5 to O dash, same line. This is the two length of 3 dash O dash or 5 dash O dash. Okay. Now O dash 2, O dash 6, O dash 3, O dash 5 are the two length, and O dash 1 dash, O dash 4 dash already two length. Okay. Now with length O dash 1 dash, two length, draw any line O1, then we draw this circle, this triangle first. This is 1 and O. Next 1 and 2, this is 30 millimeter. From here we draw a arc, and this length O2, O dash 2 is the two length. With this length we draw an arc, then this is this triangle. Now similarly 1, 6, this is 30 millimeter. From 1 we draw an arc with 30 millimeter this length, and 0.6, this is the two length. 0.6, 0-6 is the two length. With this length, with pencil compass this point and draw an arc and join this and join 6 and O. Similarly, from 6 we take a arc 30 millimeter, 6, 5, we draw the arc, and 0.5, 0.5 two length is O dash 5 dash, this is the two length. O dash 5 dash two length is O dash 5. With this dimension we take this, join this. Next 5, 4, 5, 4, this is 30 millimeter. With pencil compass draw the arc, and 0.4 two length O dash 4 dash, O dash 4 dash, O dash 4 dash is two length. With this length we cut this. This is the triangle. Next 2, 3, 30 millimeter. With pencil compass draw an arc Next, O dash, this is 3 dash, this is the 2 length, this is the 2 length, this is the 2 length. With this dimension, with pencil compass, we draw the arc, join this and join this. Next, this is 3/4 30 millimeter, 3/4 with pencil compass, this point, draw the arc and 0/4 here, O dash, 4 dash, this is the 2 length, with pencil compass, draw the arc, join this and join this. This is the development of the hexagonal pyramid, oblique pyramid. Finally, the development of the oblique pyramid. This is dark thick line and elevation and top view. This is dark thick line, this is hidden line. All others line are thin. Okay, it is clear, my students.